What's up, guys? My name's Tyler, and welcome to my first YouTube channel. I'd like to start by saying I'm not a financial advisor, and you should consult with one for any financial advice. I'd like to talk to you guys today about an easy way to get started investing for all the people that ask me, I don't know what to do, or I don't know how to get started. It's really easy, and I'm going to walk you guys through it today. So if you follow the link below, I have a link where you can get signed up right from the bottom of the description of my video. And you can follow that and get started investing. If we pull up the page, you see a stash. They have plans, stocks, ETFs, banking, learn, and help. And that's a really cool feature about this app. There's a lot of learning. They have a lot of articles that you can read and go through and learn different things about the app. Investing made easy, and start with $5. So that's the number one thing, guys. You can start with $5 to start investing. $5. Why stash? Invest in what you can afford. With fractional shares, you can choose how much to invest. So obviously, with just $5 and you get a stock like Apple, you're not going to be able to get a full share, but you can get partial shares, right? And you can get started on your journey making money with us. And then they have a stock back card. So the card's really cool. You can invest as you spend. When you use our card, we'll give you stocks and well-known brands. So, you know, if you can set up like your Netflix account on it, and then every month you pay your Netflix, and then they give you a portion of a stock. So that's really cool. They have different plans. Our three plans can make it easy and affordable to build wealth. Of course, they have a banking card, and retirement, and family. So you can get custodial accounts, IRAs, retirement accounts, trusted by 5 million people. And then it shows you the different plans. So for beginner, it's $1 a month. You can invest. You get the stock back card. You get banking. You get saving tools, personalized advice, $1,000 of insurance offered by Avibra. Stash Growth, $3 a month, everything in Stash, retirement tax benefits for retirement investing, personalized retirement advice, and then $9 a month. Everything in Stash Growth, investing for children, exclusive stock back card bonuses, 2x stock with stock back card, premium research and advice, and $10,000 life insurance. Another really cool feature about Stash is ETFs, the ability to invest in ETFs, and not all of the ones that I go over at the end of this video offer ETFs, and some of them only offer a few. So if we look at what is an ETF, an exchange-traded fund, ETF, is a type of security that involves a collection of securities such as stocks that often tracks an underlying index. Although they can invest in any number of industry sectors or use various strategies, ETFs are in many ways similar to mutual funds. However, they are listed on exchanges, and ETF shares trade throughout the day just like any ordinary stock. A well-known example is the SPY, which tracks the S&P 500. ETFs can contain many types of investments, including stocks, commodities, bonds, or a mixture of investment types. So if you go on Stash and search ETFs, let's just click. They have a plethora of ETFs, plenty of different sectors that you can invest in if you like. So if we click on one, AI's top picks, and go to overview, it'll tell you the top fund holdings of this ETF. So within this ETF is Applied Materials, Alphabet Inc., Sunflower Corp., and Advanced Micro Devices. So as the price of these stocks rise and drop, so does the ETF, right? So it's basically a diversified mix where if one stock goes down and another one goes up, you know, you pretty much stay even. So that's another really cool thing about it. I love ETFs, and I invest heavily in ETFs, especially like ARK and Cathie Wood's. And Stash offers all of those. If you look, you know, they have plenty of ETFs in different sectors that you might be comfortable with. And another thing that I wanted to go over was the other options. So when you start investing, you want to invest in your portfolio be something that you're comfortable with, that you can use, that you like. So I would definitely encourage you guys to do research and find the app that's right for you. So I've pulled up other apps that are like Stash that let you invest with as little as $5 or a low amount like that, and you can get started by buying fractional shares. So if we look, the best fractional share investing brokerages, best overall, Charles Schwab. Best for building a portfolio, M1 Finance. And M1 Finance has pies, which I really like. Best for automated investing, Betterment. Best for new investors, SoFi. Best for investment goals, Fidelity. Best for active traders and interactive brokers. And best for social investing, Public. So I used M1 Finance and Fidelity as well. Those are both really, really good apps. I like those too. And I started with Stash in 2017, and I still use it today because I really like some of the features and the ease of use. So if we go down here to the different providers and we compare them, Charles Schwab, support for the 500, the biggest stock and features that meet the needs of most investors. No commissions or recurring fees. M1 Finance automatically allocate your investments in a portfolio you choose. No commission or recurring fees with basic account. Betterment fully automated investing in a portfolio aligned to your goals. 0.25 annual account fee with digital account. SoFi, easy to use brokerage that helps you navigate supported stocks and ETFs by theme. No commissions or recurring fees. Invest in 7,000 and Fidelity. Invest in 7,000 fractional stocks and ETFs with access to additional tools to help you save for your retirement and other goals. Also, no commissions or recurring fees. Interactive brokering, advanced charting and trading tools suitable for expert investors and active traders. No commission plan available. Inactive fees may apply. And Public, easy to use brokerage with community features to learn from others, and no commissions or recurring fees. So like I said, you guys should do your own research and find which one's best for you, the one that you like the most. If you like the channel, please like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or comments for me, please leave them in the comment box down below. And I would love to hear anything from you guys that could help you guys or grow your knowledge. I'm here for you guys, so anything that you need, ask me, and we'll get started on this journey together.